Hi everyone. Welcome to a new video. This is gonna be me trying to Apple brand, it's like Apple Guard spray repellent onto the handles of my new bag. If you guys have seen the last unboxing, I got this bag, but I am a little worried about the straps and getting going, what if it rains, or just the touching and water drops. So I want to repel it. So I've been seeing videos of people using these and reading comments. So what it says leather suede fabric to retreat must dry and clean and free of dust, dirt or grease. Well, obviously it's brand new, so that's perfect. And then it says hold 6 to 9 inches from the surface and spray. Sweeping motion includes all seams. Do not soak spray area. Let it dry for 30 minutes and repeat. Treat periodically. So we're gonna try that right now. We're gonna spray it. I am gonna cover. So I did get the paper towels, the Bounty paper towels, and I am gonna cover some of the canvas, and just so we could just spray the straps. So let's do that, and we'll try and spray it, and we'll see if it works. Okay, so what I did, I took the keys out of here and I undid this. The keys were holding right here. So I did this because this is all the leather. So we're gonna spray that, and maybe I'll spray this bag too. Since I've been using it, I don't want it to get water spots. Okay, so what I did, I just put some napkins. I am gonna spray this side too, just to be safe. And then right here and right there. But I did just put napkins around the straps because we're gonna focus on the straps first. So let's get started in doing this. Okay, now we're gonna use the Apple Guard and we're gonna spray it. It said about 9 inches, so I'm gonna spray it. So as we can see, it looks like there's some water stains on it from the spray. Okay, now we're gonna spray this. Now we're gonna spray that. Leave it there. Now we're gonna try to spray the strap. Try to evenly coat it. So look, it got a watermark. It looks like it's going away. So let's try again. And let's do this way. And then we're gonna do the inside a little bit. Oop, I think I soaked it. Okay, let's kind of wipe that. And let's do that a little bit. Oop. Oop, that's too close. Okay. And we're gonna do this on the side. Maybe we should put this underneath. Like that. Well, too late. Okay, now we're gonna do it to this side. Put it underneath. And we're gonna spray. Maybe I'm doing this too close. And then we're gonna spray there. Oop, I kind of soaked it. Okay, let's hope this doesn't damage anything. And we're gonna spray there. And we're gonna wait 30 minutes and come back to spray the second time. Okay guys, so I just finished spraying my bags. I ended up spraying my tiny backpack as well. So I had to, these are one strap, but I had to undo it. And I sprayed them for the second time, and then same thing, I took this off. It was just gonna take too long to do it on camera, so I just, it's simple. I took it off. I sprayed both sides on this. These the same. I just turned them. This was the second spray. I'm already ready to clean them up. And then this same thing, second spray. I sprayed these like I showed you guys. I sprayed them double-sided. As you can see, there's no water spots. When I was spraying them, I did get a little nervous because I saw stains. Same thing, I sprayed here and I tried to spray the back a little bit. So I'm just gonna take them off the napkins to go put it away already. But as you can see, no damage. It looks the same. I think it just creates like a little barrier. I will keep you guys updated if I see any damage once I start using them with water. But I did decide to spray the tiny backpack before it got worse. Thankfully, it looks like new because I did take care of it all the times I've been using it. But yeah, I hope this helped. And this was just the Apple brand Apple Guard repellent. If you guys like this video, make sure to like it up. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to contact me or send me a message. And I will see you guys next time.